back to my channel. I'm Jasmine Marie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my go-to everyday makeup glam. So this is like what I go for when I want to do a little something but not too much. Perfect for work. Yeah, I really love the way that this looks. It's just easy, it doesn't take too long, and it's not too many products. So I also got a new backdrop for you guys. I hope you guys like it. It's still a little wrinkled, so we'll get that together at some point, but I just was sick and tired of that white background, so I wanted to kind of switch it up a bit. And yeah, I am using all drugstore products as usual. Full coverage, which I'm not mad at right now. I am loving it. And I did use my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation, and I also used the concealer. Combined, these two are so if you guys have not used or checked out those products, make sure you guys definitely go pick them up because they actually work really well together. So without further ado, let's just jump into the tutorial so you guys can see how I get this bomb ass face. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into my face. As you guys can see, I already did my brows. For brows today, I used my the Lash Firm medium brown brow pomade, and that's what I've been using. That's what I have been loving. So for skin today, I've already washed, moisturized, you know, my face as usual. I'm gonna go in with my Lancôme prep+matte face primer. This came in a box, and I was super excited to try it, being as it's a mattifying hydrating primer. I don't know how much this cost. I'm gonna have to look it up. I think I really do like it. I'm gonna put this all over my face. I think we're gonna do something minimal today. I go back to work tomorrow, so I really need, you know, I really would like to show you guys how I do like my minimal makeup for work. What I like about this primer, by the way, is it gets very tacky. So I really like that. This does not have any SPF in it. I thought it did, but I don't have it with me. I think it's on my bed somewhere. I have the mattifying SPF primer moisturizer from them as well, and that has SPF 50, which I use like whenever we go out in the sun. So I do like that. So today I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. I'm in the shade, what shade am I? I am in the shade 460 Golden Beige, and I really like this foundation because it's pretty full coverage or buildable, and it gives me just like that fresh skin. I really like this foundation. What I'm going to do is give it a quick shake, and I am going to just squirt it on my face. As you can see, it looks like it's a little light, kind of, but I have been going swimming and I got a little tan, so it's okay. And to blend out my foundation, today I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge, which looks like this. And I really like this sponge. At first I didn't like it because I felt like it wasn't soft enough, but I have broken it in since then. So I did do a review with this foundation not too long ago, and you guys know I loved it. It just makes my skin look really good. I just ordered the NARS Natural Radiance foundation, so I am really excited to try that foundation. I heard some really good things, so I am super duper excited to try that foundation to see if it will become, you know, one of my new favorites. Still see my skin through the foundation, which is what I typically go for. But yeah, so this is me. I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, so I'm gonna go into my concealer, and from that same brand, I'm using the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm in the shade 360. I feel like I could have gotten a shade, I don't know if they had a shade up from 360, because this one is a little light for me, but I make it work. So yeah. We're gonna just blend this all in together and see. And I feel like, of course, when you use products that are made to go together, it always looks 100% better. Because a lot of times I'll wear this foundation and I won't wear it with the, I won't wear the concealer with it. But I really do like this part about doing makeup. I like putting on my concealer and I feel like it just makes the entire look just come together. So, and it really brightens up my eyes. I like to put it all in the corner of my eyes as well here. Even though I'm gonna put shadow on. And then I'm gonna blend it out here. So, it looks really, really nice. Okay, because I felt like I was a little bright. Okay, so now to contour my skin, I am going to take Beautiful Bronze from LA Girl. And I haven't used this in a while. I have been using it here on my channel, but before the last couple times, but I haven't used it in a while before that. I really like how it just kind of, actually, no. I want a more subtle bronze today, so I'm gonna go in with Cocoa from the Fit Me collection as well. I'm sorry, Cafe.
So my
to be snatched today, honey. So to blend this out, I am going to take this fluffy brush right here. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's an old brush from them. They now have numbers on their brushes, but this one doesn't. And I'm just going to blend this in. And I like to keep my contour these days just strictly here. I used to bring it down really low, but you know, change it up a bit. Blend, always blend your contour into your hairline. I just messed up my baby hairs, but it's okay. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have gotten a new background, but I'm still working with it. I don't know how to get these wrinkles out of it. It's kind of bugging me, but I'm trying to just let it go because it's better than just you guys looking at the plain walls that I normally have in the background, like my wall. So I wanted to kind of switch it up a bit, you guys, because I'm trying to do better. So I'm just taking this brush. I don't even know what kind of brush this is. But I'm gonna go in with the sponge because the sponge is gonna make it all look seamless. I pretty much blended that all away. So for powder today, I'm gonna go into my Makeup Revolution banana powder. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna pour some of this on the back of my hand and try not to make a mess. I like the powder, but I don't like how messy it can be. So I'm gonna take my Sonia Kashuk sponge and blend this into my skin. Like so. And I'm not baking, I'm just pressing the powder into my skin. Just there. So I'm just gonna take a brush and blend that in. And as you guys can see, I don't let it sit too long. So for contour today, I'm gonna use my Crayon Case Box of Crowns palette, and I'm actually going to take the tan shade, and that's what I'm going to use to set my contour and kind of warm up my face even more. Just right up in here though. Right here is where I like to keep it. And on my temples, of course. So even though this is like my minimal makeup look, I do have on plenty of products, as you guys can see, but it's very minimal. Like, I'm not doing anything crazy. So now I'm gonna go into some blush, and I'm gonna take Tarte Feisty, which looks like this, and I'm taking a stippling brush. Actually, I'm gonna use a blush brush from Luxie Beauty, which is the number 514, and I'm just gonna take some of this and put it on my cheeks. This is like a warm color as well. Like so. I'm just going back over with my sponge on any areas that I feel need to. And I'm gonna take my Olay face mist. This is the energizing one, and at first I'm gonna take this. I used to not like this, you guys, but I started using it more and more, and I actually like it. So I'm going to spray my face. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'll come back. Now, my favorite all-time setting spray of the moment is the Morphe. This is what I use in almost all my videos, but I'm running really low and I don't really want to waste it. So I can just run to Ulta tomorrow, but I probably won't. So yeah, I'm gonna let this set on my face, and then we're gonna get into the eyes. So you guys, I feel like my foundation, I know it's a little bit light for me, but that's because I have been going to the pool and I got a little tan. But to fix that a little bit, I'm gonna go in with some face powder, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Toffee, which is normally not my color at all. And I'm just gonna take, it's like a darker color. I'm gonna take that and kind of just blend this a little bit on my face, because yeah, it's looking a little bit too light for me, but that's just because I got a tan. But I'm kind of happy. I'm like, ooh, girl, you got a tan. But when I went to work the other day, they were like, ooh, girl, you got a tan, and that just made my day. So I am pretty much done with my face for now. Oh, I'm gonna go in with highlighter. My absolute favorite highlighter is the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio. This is in Molten Golden. But you guys, I used this one the other day. This is an oldie. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow, and this one is really good as well. So this one is the bomb when I want like that rose gold undertoned blood highlighter. So I'm gonna take my Morphe M139. Look how beautiful this highlighter is. Super nice. And it literally goes on like butter. So I'm gonna take it's my Raye palette, the first palette that she ever came out with, and I'm only gonna use these shades here because this is like a minimal makeup look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Pancake, which is a nice brown, and I'm just gonna put that all in my crease. Okay, to go back into the eyes, I'm gonna take the color Mousse. Actually, I'm gonna take the color Mousse and Spice just to give my eyes a little bit more definition. I like having kind of like an orangey-ish kind of crease. So I'm taking the color Spice. Oop, I just threw my makeup brush. So I'm gonna take this Morphe like pencil brush, and I'm gonna take that same highlighter, and put this in the inner corners, because I think this just like opens your eye and makes it look super pretty. And then I'm going to touch up my brow bone. And for eyelashes today, I'm going to use some old eyelashes. You guys, I have worn these suckers so many times. It's nasty, probably. But I'm going to apply these babies. I hate like when spam people be calling me. That is so annoying. Like, stop calling me. I don't want to talk. So this is what the glue looks like. It's by Lash Lane Collection. And I love it. If you want to purchase and try for yourself, use the code SOJAZZY for money off. It's super really good, you guys. It dries really quickly, and it's like your eyelashes are stuck, like they don't budge. And I was just at Walmart this morning to get fabric, and I was supposed to get lashes, and of course I forgot. So now I'm gonna be walking around looking crazy. Well, I'm just doing this video for you guys. But yeah, so on my bottom lashes, I am gonna use this Wet n Wild as well. The mascara gets all on my eyes there. So that's basically it for the eyes. Now I'm gonna go into the lips, you guys. I don't really want to wear that. I'm like into nude lipstick, but I kind of want to switch it up. So I think I'm gonna line my lips with Stone from MAC, because I haven't used this lip combination in a minute. I really want to put a red lip on right now, but I'm not gonna go and be all extra. Yeah, I think I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in Peanut Brittle. I love this lip gloss, y'all. All right, you guys. So you guys know a look is not a look for me without throwing on some hoops. So this is the finished makeup look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of, I feel like my makeup is a little bit too bright, but the lights are also making me look really bright. But this is like my go-to makeup look when I don't really want to do anything, when I just want to look kind of put together, a little bronzy, a little glowy, and some gloss on the lips. That's my go-to look, you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys like this type of video, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so you guys aren't missing out on any of my uploads. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.